Welcome back to Lumicore Labs. Day 8. It's practice day for conditional statements. Last time you learned if, elif, and else. Today we're going to use them in 3 short, real-world challenges. Simple, practical, and designed to build your confidence. As always, pause after each challenge. Try it yourself first, then watch my solution. Let's get started. Challenge 1. Even or odd. Ask the user for a number, convert it to an integer, and check whether it's even or odd. A number is even if it's divisible by 2 with no remainder. That means number %2 equals 0. Pause now and try it yourself. This should take about 4 lines of code. Let's walk through it. First, I get the number from the user and convert it with int. Then I check number %2 equals 0. If the remainder is 0, it's even. Otherwise, else it's odd. That's it. Let me test it with a couple of numbers so you can see both paths. First, an odd number, 7. The number 7 is odd. Then an even number, 12. The number 12 is even. 2 different inputs, 2 different outputs, same simple code. Challenge 2. A grade calculator. Ask the user for a score out of 100. Convert it to an integer. Then use if, elif, and else to assign a letter grade. A for 90 and above, B for 70 to 89, C for 50 to 69, F for below 50. Pause and build it. Pay attention to the order of your conditions. Check the highest range first, score greater than or equal to 90, then work your way down. If you check score greater than or equal to 50 first, everyone above 50 gets a C, and the A and B conditions never even get looked at. Order matters in elif chains. First I get the score, then the elif chain starts. If the score is 95, the very first condition is true, grade is A. Python skips the rest. If the score is 75, the first condition is false, so it moves to the second. 75 is above 70, grade is B. If the score is 40, all conditions fail, and else gives an F. I'll test 4 different scores so you can see every possible outcome. 95 gets an A. 75 gets a B. 55 gets a C. And 30 gets an F. 4 scores, for different grades, all from the same elif chain. Challenge 3. A simple login form. You define a correct username and password, then ask the user to enter theirs. Use an if statement with the and operator to check if both the username and password match the correct ones. If yes, welcome them. If no, tell them the credentials are wrong. Pause and try it. This one combines conditionals with the and operator from day 6. You need both conditions to be true, username and password. If either one is wrong, the whole login fails. I set the correct username to admin and the password to Python 123. Then I get input from the user. The if uses and both must match. If they do, success. If not, the else prints the error message. I'll test it twice. First with the correct credentials, admin, and Python 123. Login successful. Then I'll try with the right username, but a wrong password. See, access denied. Notice the program doesn't tell you which one was wrong. It just says incorrect username or password. That's actually how real websites work. They don't want hackers guessing usernames. If your code didn't work, check these 4 things. First, order, highest conditions first in elif chains. Second, double equals for comparison, not single equals. Third, for and, both sides must be true. Fourth, convert input to int when comparing numbers. These 4 checks will fix most of your problems. Great work today. 3 challenges, 3 tools you can actually use. In the next video, we're moving into loops, a powerful feature that lets Python repeat tasks for you. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Lumicore Labs. And tell me, which challenge was your favorite? See you on day 9.